Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the video to excited topic for so you make sure to watch till in the end. So guys, let's get started the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to recover Apple ID if you forget your password on Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, iOS updated. So guys, let's get started video. First of all, open settings on your phone. After that, tap on Apple ID and then tap on sign out and then tap on sign out but don't erase. Tap continue and then tap continue. Now you can see it's asking enter your Apple ID password. So if you don't remember your Apple ID password, so guys, how to recover Apple ID, then tap on forget password. Now enter your iPhone passcode, type here. Now he is asking enter new password. Now click on new password. Again re-type password. Now tap on continue. Now you can see your password has been changed. Tap on done. Now click here. After that, now you can see here signing out Apple ID on my phone. So guys, after your Apple ID change password, so if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.